Mom and her chick. I missed it running. They came running through the yard toward Twiggy's down there eating. Startled the heck out of her. She about jumped out of her skin. Until she realized it was just a little turkey. Not so little anymore. It's getting bigger, and I've been finding a feather here and there that I know had to have come out of it. It's molten its baby feathers, I guess. I've saved them. I don't know what happened to the rest of your brood, honey, but you're being a good mom to the one you have left. You're doing a good job. I think it's going to make it. Oh, it's so quick. It's so quick. It was just flew a little bit when it was coming up out of down below, and I wasn't recording yet, of course. I miss all the good stuff. Oh, well. Capturing wildlife is not all that easy. They don't take direction or appear when you want them to or do what you would like them to when you want them to do it. They have their own agenda.